Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Plus500. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Plus500 website right here, Plus500 if you have not already.com. So this is going to be the home page, and if you're using it on your mobile phone, as you can get it on Google Play. On Android, if you're on iPhone, you can just go ahead and use the web version. So once you've opened it up, it's going to look like this. Doesn't matter if you're on your mobile phone or on the website, we can get started with the same process. So what you need to do is first go ahead and create an account. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the start trading option that's going to enable you to create an account if you do not already have one. So once you've logged in, now we can get started. We can get started with using the search bar right here to search for stocks, and we can go ahead and search for NVIDIA. As you can see, once you search for NVIDIA, it's going to show you the instruments right here, and you can go ahead and open up the stock. Once you open up the stock, it's going to take you to the NVIDIA stock page from where we can get started. So as you can see, you can buy or sell the CFDs using the Plus500 website. So from here, we can get started buying stock. If you already have stock on your account, you're also going to go ahead and be able to sell it directly from right here. But you can go ahead and take a look at how the charts are doing and how to get started, what a spread is, percentage, and so on. All of it that is going to be doable right here. If you need any more help, click how to begin and take a look at it step by step. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.